Okay, so now we have another two walls. I also want to close with that. As I can see, it was the first step and another step will be here. So, and there will be two steps, so you need to select these lines also, and here we have another line. So it will another step number 2 for Seawall. We also need to join them. Okay, so now it has been joined. If something wrong and you can't see that it is not joined, you must need to zoom and you will see that there will some gap between these two lines. That's why they are not connecting each other. So we can also give them elevation one by one also if we are unable to join them, but hopefully you will get them. So once again we will analyze the elevation by points. If some points are disturbing, you can move them. And now we can see for two steps that how much elevation we have. Maximum 31, 32, we have maximum 32, 32, and okay, go ahead, 32, 32.32. So we have maximum still 32. Here we have stairs. So once we have done with feature lines and grading, then in the grading we will design also stairs to go up from these steps to another step. So we don't need to consider the elevation of stairs. Now we just see our seawall. Here we have, if we have stairs with these label, it's mean this wall already has been designed with these elevations, and these stairs also designed already. 32.18 maximum for now. 32. Here we have also stairs. If some points disturb, you can move them. Select and use the grips to move them. I will save this drawing and will send you there for now to practice them, but you must need to delete these all things and then start from the beginning with all steps. 32 and 32. Here we have also stairs, so we have many stairs on these walls on different distances. Still we have maximum 32, so I think this wall, the top elevation of these walls are 32. But now as I am going with 2 meters high from this elevation, because I don't know there is some seawall already designed or they are just have been demolition, so I am designing something a little bit high before. So we have 32 maximum for now. So for this step I will go 2 meters from the existing surface. Go to the feature line, again create feature line from object and then select your first line. You must need to check it's all have been selected. For this wall, press enter, and if you want to change your Seawall site you can change, but I will keep them in a site name. It will Seawall number 1. Style will be stay same. Erase existing entities will be checked and assign elevation checked, then press OK. Now check elevation, and here you also see we have 34 already because we have done work with that before for wall number 2. So select OK, and now your line has been convert with feature line. This was second step. So it's our step number 1, which will behind this wall. So for this wall I will go back 1 meter down from the top of this wall, so it should be 33. Go to the feature line and create feature line from object. Select this line. If you have not joined this line, then you can select also this line and go to the next corner here and select this part of line also. Press enter. Same site name should be Seawall number 1 first step. You can write anything according to your desire. So erase existing entities and then assign elevation. It's giving me some error that the name contour counter must be used to generate unique name when converting multiple entities. So it's saying that your name has been matching with the previous, that's why you need to change that. So I can go with this like Seawall first step. Press OK, and still is not giving me permission. I can say first step. Press OK. First step. The name counter must be used to generate unique name when converting multiple. Sorry, we have some. We already select many entities here. This one, 2, and another one was 3. That's why it was giving me error. I will select them one by one. Create feature line. Select the first line and then press enter. Name first step. Sign elevation. OK, and here you need to give the elevation 33. OK, so it has been converted, but you can see here we have remaining this portion. For now this portion I will select again this and press enter. For name it will also stay first step right. You can give them name anything else. Assign elevation also, it will stay same 33. OK, it will also convert. and then the left side has been remaining. We need to convert them. Create feature line from object. For now, you can see once we have select, before the selecting command, we select any line and go create feature from object. It will direct open in the create feature line dialog box, and you can put here the name. First step, it will over left, and then assign elevation. Okay, it will stay 33 also. Press OK. Now we have done with these two walls. First step, second step of wall number 1, and here we have wall number 2. But as we found that we have another wall inside of them, so it should be wall number 2 here and wall number 3 here. So how can we change the name of these wall number 2 to 3? Select this and go to the feature line properties, and here you will see the name of Seawall number 3, and now I can change it into 2 to 3. Press apply and click OK. For now we have wall number 2, and we will convert this polyline into feature line. Also, you must need to know that you can save your drawing, Control S to save your previous work. Again and again you must need to select them. Okay, so here we have another wall. Same thing, previously we have done analysis of elevation 31, 29 and 31, 32. Here we have Seawall. So you can see here we have some mistakes. Actually we have some Seawalls also here, some Seawalls. So it can be also another step of this Seawall, as we have already in the wall number 1. So we can draw them actually PL, and it will start from here like this. Seawall, and you can go like this. Seawall, so here we have not any more points. The step 1 here has been finished, so match them. So it should be matched with this point, because these two steps will be connected. So you can move your line here to here also. It's fine now. Okay, here we have also now 2 steps of wall number 2, and maximum elevation we have here also 32, so we will go with 34 for the step number 1, and then 33 for the step number 2. Is our polyline, go to the feature line and then create feature line from object name Seawall number 2 step 2, sign elevation, okay, and here you need to change 34 and then press OK. Another wall is also in polyline, so you can select and create feature line from object name Seawall number 2 step 1, sign elevations, okay, and it should be 33. Okay, so now we have to step for wall number 2 also. So we have remaining just one wall here. So we need to check the elevation of points 29 and 30. So 29, so maximum here we have 30 and we just need to go 2 meters above 32. Create feature line from object and select this, press enter. Seawall number 4, style should be same, and assign elevation, select elevation and 32, press OK. Now our wall number 4 has been converted into feature line. So these are our elevation of our retaining our sea walls, then but now they are above our existing surface, as we have seen in our object viewer that they are 2 meters above from our surface. That's why we will draw our grading to match them, these wall into with existing surface. Then we will get cut and fill quantities. Actually it will just fill quantities for them, and we can also get length, width and rebars, cement, concrete also if we want to calculate. So I think we have not any other wall here in our drawing. It's not wall, it's just something else, because here the points are showing something else. That's why I will not draw the line here. So once we have surface have been no display, go to the surface, prospector tab, surface, right click and surface properties. Here you will see you can select any design, or you can select the previous which we have already in our drawing. You can see it has been showing. Now select your surface and then I want to see all my walls. Select your feature line of wall and right click, then select similar. If we have some similar objects in Civil 3D and we cannot select them one by one, that's why we will select this option of select similar to get them quickly. So now you can see they all are selected. Okay, so once we have all features which we want to see in the object viewer, and this option we will use many time in our grading to see our objects into 3D, to manipulate with them nicely to get better design. So select object viewer. You will go in the 3D viewer. If you want to change something here, and you can also change the view of your drawing directly from the top, bottom, left, right. For example, I select left and it will show me left. But if you will use your mouse, you can move the surface accordingly. Now can see it's our surface, and we can see now our walls here. I want to show you something, that our step number 1 of wall number 1, you can see it's a little up, and another step it is a little bit down from the first step. It's actually 1 meter down from the first step. So for the wall number 2, you can see also it's up on our surface. You must need to confirm that your any wall should not down from the surface, because we are working with our Seawall design. If we are working with any building grading drainage plans, then we can put the building pad into down from our existing surface as per our design to get basement or anything else like this. So we can go down from our existing surface also, but in this scenario of Seawall, we will not go down from our existing surface. So you can see from the down, as you can see, we have wall number 1 here, and wall number 2 I think here, but we have not any other wall here. So press escape and then go to back. Wall number 1, wall number 2, but we have not any other walls, so I think they are not selected in our drawing. Something wrong here. Select similar. You need to select them. Select similar, and now we have 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Okay, and again select your surface also, because we are comparison with our existing surface. Now we can see wall number 1, this, and another wall we have here. Yes, we have here another wall. You must need to play with your mouse wheel button and the left. And then we have wall number 3. Sorry, this is our wall number 4, and another one is our wall number 3. This is 2 and 1. Wall number 1 and 2 have 2 steps, 1 and 2, because it's our according to our surveying points. So I need to save this drawing, and I will send you this drawing and you can practice with them. But remember, always off your surface, existing surface, to manipulate with the drawing nicely. And you also need to delete all these walls and go back to the first step when I was trying from the start, and then follow my steps to get this. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you. Goodbye.